Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, LSH just filed a current report and I'm seeing one key leadership change that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. Lakeside Holding Limited is reporting a significant shift in its executive team, and I want to break down what this could mean for the company. This is a Form 8K filing, which companies use to announce major events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as a company's public diary for important happenings. The main event here is a change in leadership within the company's C-suite. Henry Liu, one of the company's co-chief executive officers, has stepped down. This wasn't a sudden ousting, he gave notice, and his resignation is effective on the 2nd of June 2026. The company is stating that this departure is not due to any arguments or disagreements about how the company is run. This is generally a positive sign, suggesting the separation was amicable. So, after Mr. Liu's departure, Yang Li will now be the single chief executive officer. This means Lakeside Holding Limited is moving from a co-CEO structure to a single leader at the top. This can sometimes lead to faster decision making because there is no need to get agreement from two top executives. This filing is with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Or SEC, they are the government agency that oversees the stock market and protects investors. The date of the report is the 5th of June, but the earliest event reported Mr. Liu's resignation happened on the 2nd of June. This confirms the timing of the leadership change. The company in question is Lakeside Holding Limited. Looking at some external context, Lakeside Holding Limited is in the integrated freight and logistics industry. Their stock is traded on the NASDAQ under the symbol LSH. It is important to note that this is common stock, and it has a very low par value, which is quite typical. This news aligns with recent headlines, confirming that the market is aware of this leadership transition. Headlines from sources like Stock Titan and the Globe and Mail are already reporting that Yang Li is now the sole CEO. Lakeside Holding Limited is identifying itself as an emerging growth company. This means they are eligible for some relaxed regulatory requirements, which can be common for newer or smaller companies. They have also indicated that they are not opting into the extended transition period for new accounting standards. This means they will be adopting new accounting rules at the same pace as larger companies. While this filing doesn't contain financial tables directly, understanding leadership changes is crucial. A move to a sole CEO can streamline operations and create a more unified vision. However, it also places more direct responsibility on that single leader. In the case of Lakeside Holding, a company operating in the competitive logistics sector, this centralized leadership could be a positive step if Yang Li can effectively drive the company forward. Now, looking at the broader picture for Lakeside Holding Limited, recent news suggests they have faced challenges, including a NASDAQ notice regarding minimum bid price deficiency and a reported stock fall on Q2 2026 earnings. This leadership change might be an attempt to bring more focused leadership to navigate these difficulties. A transition to a sole CEO can sometimes signal a new strategic direction or a renewed push for operational efficiency. Historically, companies have seen mixed results following such transitions. Sometimes a single leader can bring renewed focus and lead to a turnaround. Other times, it can highlight existing problems without a clear path to improvement. Given the company's market capitalization around $20 million and its position in the industrial sector, effective leadership is paramount to regaining investor confidence and improving its stock performance. The risk I am watching is how this new singular leadership structure will address the company's recent financial performance and any potential compliance issues with NASDAQ. What I am actually looking for is sustained improvement in operational metrics and a clear strategy to boost the stock price beyond the current sub $1 levels that have triggered NASDAQ scrutiny. If Yang Li can steer the company towards profitability and growth, this leadership change could prove beneficial. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. Like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more breakdowns. See you in the Discord.